folks, it's me again. First, I'll do the weekly what's new. What's new? Not much. I'm waiting for powder coat again. I haven't unwrapped any of the powder coated bits because I don't want to get all scratched. It's a motorcycle, so should I really wear it? But it'd be nice to put it all nice, then scratch the hell out of it. But what else? No, I will be making a video. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm fixing a damn John Deere lawnmower. It's an LT 160. It took me like 40 videos to figure out how to get the gas tank off. So, seeing as there's no LT 150 or 160 lawnmower videos that actually show how to take the gas tank off properly, they're all 150, all 100 series. And I might make a video on that. So, because apparently you got to take the left wheel off, the little ball, jack it up, take 2 bolts out you can't reach, 2 other bolts, and then take the thing off. Then I got to figure out how to get all the gas out of it because I don't have any pumps and I don't feel like sucking gas out of a gas tank. I didn't upload too many videos last week because my stupid I use iMovie. I'm cheap. I tried using that DaVinci. I can't figure out how to work it. I'm gonna download it again and see if I can make one video in it. But I couldn't figure out how to. I don't know. There's too many buttons. I'm old, but I will figure it out if I'll try to make a video. Upload a couple of shorts. I got today my weekly what's new came out. I'll put this one up next week. I was gonna do something tonight, but I'm like I don't know. I'm saving all my energy for tomorrow. The place is a wreck, but I love it. Somebody online asked me to send them a picture of the carb adjustment thing, my ATC 70, so I don't remember that. I'm still throwing more parts in the powder coat pile. I'm just going to powder coat it, whatever I can find. And what else? What was I going to say? I would probably powder coat whatever I could find, and whatever I don't use that's been powder coat, I'm just going to sell it off or give it away. And I'm not going to do like most people on eBay and sell for like some asinine price. I'm going to sell for a fair price. Because, I mean, there's a lot of people trying to make money and there's a lot of people just trying to get rid of shit. And, like, I won't be needing extra swing arms and extra battery boxes and stuff. Unless I, destroy the entire bike and gets hit by a truck. I also ordered valve springs and 2 new valves. And what else? Oh, and a timing chain for my bike because I think it's making it like a running like that. So I think the timing chain has to be adjusted. I'm gonna try to adjust the timing chain. I have no idea how. I gotta read the manual and wherever the hell I put the manual. I gotta check in the manual how to adjust it first. I'll see if I can adjust it because it's probably never been adjusted. So most people don't do maintenance on these things. They just drive them until they die. Hondas don't really die. They just. Also, I was eating lead this week. Lost all my hair. There's not much new. It's just me doing stuff. I finally got the seat cover for this Honda, so I got to remember to find the gas tank wherever it is, drop it in some vinegar or muriatic acid or something, and make sure I get the tank back on this thing. I think it needs a new petcock. I have the cables. I'm going to start working on this and see if I can get the hell out of here and clean it up. I got to clean the carb. So that will get done. I'm not sure about the seat though. Well, I got to do some work on the seat pan, but it has all these little prongs on it. And I'm thinking, the little prongs suck. So I'm thinking of finding either a piece of plastic, like even using a piece of a cutting board and riveting it on the bottom under the seat so I could staple it. So I got to find about a 1/4-inch cutting board or some plastic that I can jam staples in so I can just put it under the seat pan so I can get it stapled. And that's going to be fun, but I'm sure there's something I could buy or make or whatever. So, because those little hooks I could just staple the hell out of it. So I'm going to see what I got. And I don't think I have anything in plastic like that. I got a lot of junk in here. I'm thinking a piece of, I don't know, rubber, but something. It's got to be a plastic. It's not too hard to put a staple in, but it has to be soft enough for the staple will go in and stay in there. As I can, riv nut it and then just put the thing on it and put it on there. So I'm thinking maybe some kind of PVC cutting board or something. I don't know, plastic, something. I must have something around here because there's so much shit in here that I don't know. There's got to be something. And maybe I'll order a small piece of ABS or vinyl or something. This way, I can get the seat back on it and have at least a nice thing that's all well done. Or I will fiberglass the whole entire bottom, fiberglass coat the entire bottom of it, or top or whatever, and just make one out of fiberglass. I don't know if I should do that though. So anyway, if you're my 1889th whatever subscriber, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining my channel. Please watch more videos. I need more watch time. I'm not monetized. I'm not the channel solely sponsored by my tool addiction and my apparently Honda addiction. I will have a bike as soon as I get off my ass and send the forks out for powder coating. I have the two fork covers. I have two brand new fork covers. If I take the forks out, send a powder coat, I'll have the entire front end of the bike. And rear rack for the bike is out, so I might take the rear rack on this one off, send that to powder coat, and see what happens when it gets back. And then I'll take the rear rack, the front end, and all the little fancy nice bits, and I'll put them on the other bike first, and then I'll work on this one next. So I think I'm missing one rear rack. Actually two, because I need one for those two bikes. So I'm gonna try to hunt down a decent, because I have one bike here, one bike there. The rear rack that I sent to get sandblasted, because it won't fit in my sandblaster even if it was fixed, has a few. It's okay. The other, I should actually use the other one. It's got a small dent, and maybe I'll just work on taking the dent out. This one's kind of dented. They're all freaking dented. So I'll work on that. But I got the front rack has been powder coated. I have the front triple tree. The top plate has been powder coated. The inside of the rack where the wiring harness goes, and the cage, headlight cage. It's all ready to go. I just need to. So if I get the shocks, I'll just put I'll repack the shocks. Order two new bushings. When I get all the pieces, I'm gonna put it all back together. The ATC 70 body is gone. The powder coat. I realize I'm missing. I'm getting the front shocks. No, the front doesn't have shocks. The ATC 70, the front forks are getting sent out. The rear thing is sent out, and once I get the body and the front forks, I'm gonna put it all back together. I don't really care how it looks, because it's. I mean, there's a few scratches. I'm not making the ATC 70 look perfect, but it should look nice. Black powder coat, front red powder coat. It's missing a seat, fenders, and it needs a new front tire. So next month I'll get a front tire, and probably June or July or August, you're gonna see things start being built, which is you're gonna see an ATC 70 get built. I'm probably gonna store it in my house because there's no space here. Sometime this week I'm gonna drop. See, the problem why I haven't put the gas tank, which I realized it's over there, in vinegar, is because I have to coordinate when to put in vinegar. So I remember to come back and take it out of vinegar, because last time and my vapor rust for some reason working, so I can't use the vapor rust. And I'm thinking of attempting. Oh, I got my nickel plating kit, so I gotta. Once I get that all straightened out, I'm gonna nickel plate. Actually, I gotta order I haven't. If anybody remembers, I don't remember if the bolts are nickel or zinc plated on a Honda. I'm thinking they're zinc plated, so I might get a zinc anode. I have a nickel anode, so I'm gonna try to set it up, put it somewhere so I can test it, and clean all the bolts, acetone it, clean all the bolts, put them in the solution, and see if it works. And so I don't spill it. I gotta get some kind of cup that'll sit there so I don't spill it. So I'm thinking of getting a plastic cup and gluing a magnet on the bottom so I can just put it on there. So with that said, I will make a video of me plating bolts, and I'll show you how to come out, because apparently everybody I talk to says they come out really well. I mean, they're just nickel. Whether it's industrial scale or small scale, it should come out pretty decent. Anything that's better than the rusty bolts I already have is always good. So with that said, I will shut the hell up now and commence to make a video about something. So toodles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, lick the subscribe button, punch it, smash it, squeeze it, pull it, pop it. Have a good one.